What's the most important scientific experiment in history? Michael Faraday has a legitimate claim to inventing the modern world with a spectacular discovery in 1821. Faraday was born in 1791 and at the age of 20 he attended a lecture by chemist Humphrey Davy. Following the lecture, he transcribed the notes, put them into a 300-page book, sent them to Davy, who was impressed enough to give Faraday a job. 8 years later, in 1820, word arrived in London that a Danish scientist had shown that by placing a compass underneath a wire that had an electrical current passing through it, the compass's needle moved. This led to his greatest breakthrough in what became known as the experiment of the century. And so on September the 23rd, 1821, Faraday arrived at the Royal Institute, placed a magnet and a dish of mercury, suspended a wire, passed an electrical current through the wire, and this caused it to move around, thus inventing the world's first motor. So if you want to trace the modern world of motors, generators, computers, circuits, you can go back to that day in 1821 when Faraday began what Einstein referred to as the Great Revolution.